Hello everyone. Today we are diving into the CPC exam case study practice questions. This section is crucial because in the CPC exam you'll encounter 10 case study questions. Understanding how to approach these can make a big difference in your results. So let's begin and tackle these questions together. First question. While solving case study questions, we have to look at the procedure first. So here the type of procedure is open reduction internal fixation of right scaphoid fracture. Let us check the options. Check option A 25628. 25628 is for open treatment of carpal scaphoid fracture, includes internal fixation when performed. 25624 is for closed treatment of carpal scaphoid fracture with manipulation. And the code in option C 25645 is for open treatment of carpal bone fracture other than carpal scaphoid each bone. And in option D 25651 is for percutaneous skeletal fixation of ulnar styloid fracture. So which among these four codes is the right one? If you choose 25628, then you're absolutely right because the code 25628 is for open treatment of carpal scaphoid fracture, includes internal fixation when performed. So here you can see the procedure is open reduction internal fixation of right scaphoid fracture. So option A is the right answer. They have mentioned RT, that is for right scaphoid fracture. We'll eliminate option B because 25624 is for closed treatment of carpal scaphoid fracture with manipulation. But in the scenario, they have mentioned open treatment. So we are not supposed to code for closed treatment. So eliminate option B. We'll eliminate option C 25645 because that is for open treatment of carpal bone fracture other than carpal scaphoid. But here in the scenario, they have mentioned scaphoid fracture. So we cannot code for other than scaphoid. So eliminate option C. Coming to option D 25651, that is for percutaneous skeletal fixation of ulnar styloid fracture. In the scenario, they have not mentioned percutaneous skeletal fixation. So eliminate option D. Let us solve another case study. In this case study question, the procedure performed is excision of lesion 4.3 into 2 cm left thigh, FTSG from calf to thigh. So what is FTSG? FTSG stands for full thickness skin graft. Let us check the options. In option A, B, C and D, you can find many codes. So first, let us look at the first code from each option. Check option A 11406. 11406 is for excision, benign lesion including margins, trunk, arms or legs, excised diameter is over 4.0 cm. Check option B, first code 11606. 11606 is for excision, malignant lesion including margin, trunk, arms or legs, excised diameter over 4 cm. Check option C 11402, that is for excision, benign lesion including margin, trunk, arms or legs, excised diameter is 1.1 to 2 cm. And check option D 11602, that is for excision, malignant lesion including margin, trunk, arms or legs, and the excised diameter is 1.1 to 2 cm. Now we have to try to eliminate the wrong options by looking at the first codes only. So which among these four codes is the right one? The right code is 11606. That is excision, malignant lesion including margin, trunk, arms or legs, excised diameter over 4.0 cm. So the first reason why we choose 11606 is because that is for malignant lesion excision. In the question, they have mentioned basal cell carcinoma, right? To differentiate between malignant lesion and benign lesion, we have to check the diagnosis. So here they have mentioned basal cell carcinoma. So basal cell carcinoma is malignant lesion. In your CPT manual, page number 91, first paragraph, you can see excision of malignant lesion, example, basal cell carcinoma, squamous cell carcinoma, melanoma. So all these come under malignant lesion. Okay. So we'll eliminate the code for excision of benign lesion, that is 11406 and 11402. That is eliminate option A and C. We choose the code 11606 on the basis of anatomical location and size. Right. So here the anatomical location is thigh and the code 11606 is for excision malignant lesion including marching trunks, arms or legs. So the anatomical location is correct. Next is the size. To calculate size, we have to take the highest diameter plus margin multiplied twice. So here the highest diameter is 4.3 centimeter. And let us check the margin. So the margin is 0.75. So we have to multiply it twice. Right. So what will be the size? The size will be 5.8 centimeter. And the code 11606 is for X size diameter over 4.0 centimeter. Therefore, option B is the right answer. We'll eliminate option D 11602 because the size is not matching. In option B, you can see they have given second code 15220. Check the code. 15220 is for full thickness graft knee including direct closure of donor side scalp, arms or legs 20 square centimeter or less. In the procedure, you can see they have mentioned FDSG from calf to thigh. So, FDSG is full thickness skin graft, right? So, 15220 is used for full thickness graft. They have also mentioned 15221, that is for each additional 20 square centimeter or a part thereof. So we have to use 15221 in conjunction with 15220. In the scenario, you can see the full thickness graft size is 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. That is equal to 25 square centimeter. So the first 20 square centimeter is reported using the code 15220 and 15221 is reported for the additional 5 square centimeter. I hope you're clear with it. So that's it for today. Don't forget to show your support to my channel by liking, sharing and subscribing to CodeMed Mastery. Stay tuned for more content related to CPC exam preparation.